Hi, so some of the lessons that you'll find in my book, Aria Gĩkũyũ or Speak Gĩkũyũ, are noun classes. Noun classes in Swahili are called ngeli. So the nouns in this language are categorized into classes, just like in Swahili. The first one that you'll find on page 45 is the moa. Moa is people. Usually, if you're talking about a man, a woman, a lady, any other profession like a teacher, a doctor, you'll find all these on page 45. So a person is called modo. People are called ado. Okay. In Swahili, we say mtu, watu. Okay. We also have adjectives in this book where if you want to describe a tall person, a short person, a bad person, a good person, you find all that in this book. So another category that we have of noun classes is mo me. Mo me is like the Swahili mi, mote, mete, mogithi, megithi, right? So mti, miti, mote, mete. And another category, ima, where most fruits are ituda, matuda. Ituda is a fruit. Ituda, matuda. So, for more information, you better get a copy of Aria Gĩkũyũ because all these lessons are here. You get to learn most of the nouns or the names of most nouns in the Gĩkũyũ language. So get yourself Aria Gĩkũyũ by Wanjiru Mwaura.